Clayey soil. This soil mainly contains small-sized clay particles. Sand and silt are present in traces. The characteristics of clayey soil are: since the particle size is quite small, these are compactly arranged. Because of this, very little air can be trapped in clayey soil. This is a disadvantage of clayey soil. Clay soil can hold much water. Water drains out very slowly through it. This can, however, lead to waterlogging, which can damage the crops. Clay soil tends to be heavy and holds more amount of water than sandy soil. Clay soil is difficult to plow. Clay soil can hold nutrients.